Cleaning vocabulary. Scrub brush. Scrub brush. Clothespin. Clothespin. Mop. Mop. Dustpan. Dustpan. Broom. Broom. Dish towel. Dish towel. Liquid soap. Liquid soap. Hose. Hose. Rubber gloves. Rubber gloves. Feather duster. Feather duster. Spray cleaner. Spray cleaner. Squeegee. Squeegee. Squeegee mop. Squeegee mop. Cleaning clothes. Cleaning clothes. Rag. Rag. Toilet brush. Toilet brush. Sponge. Sponge. Toilet paper. Toilet paper. Plunger. Plunger. Hanger. Hanger. Mop. Mop. Trash bag. Trash bag. Laundry basket. Laundry basket. Trash can. Trash can. Washing machine. Washing machine. Laundry soap or detergent. Laundry soap or detergent. Dryer. Dryer. Hanger. Hanger. Clothesline. Clothesline. Ironing board. Ironing board. Iron. Iron. Bleach. Bleach. Bucket. Bucket. Vacuum cleaner. Vacuum cleaner. Paper towel. Paper towel. Tissues. Tissues. Fabric softener. Fabric softener. Bath mug. Bath mug. Shampoo. Shampoo. Soap. Soap. Liquid soap. Liquid soap. Shower gel. Shower gel. toothbrush, toothbrush. Beauty mirror, beauty mirror. Bathrobe, bathrobe. Bath mat, bath mat. Clothesline, clothesline. Towel, towel. Tissue paper, tissue paper. Detergent, detergent. Tongue cleaner, tongue cleaner. Floor wiper, floor wiper. Wash basin, wash basin.